Hi guys, my name is Keith, and I want to talk to you about this simple little device that I hold in my hand. The 2-in-1 anti-snoring and air purifier. I use this because I suffer from sleep apnea. It's very portable, it travels wherever I go. I take it on business trips, family vacations, and it has changed my life. Before I began using this, I suffered really bad from sleep apnea. Productivity at work was very low because I was tired all the time. But since I've started using this, productivity has raised, become higher. Everything's become better because of this device. Pick up one if you suffer from sleep apnea. The 2-in-1 anti-snoring and air purifier. Thank you.